Mm?
Have you ever wondered why the lion is called the king of the jungle? Let's find out together. Here comes the lion. Look at that big golden mane and confident walk. He sure looks important. Strong body? Lions are very strong. They can run fast, jump far, and hunt big animals, just like a powerful hero. Major lion's mane. Do you see that fluffy mane around his neck? It's like a royal crown. Only male lions have this big mane. High position in the palate. A lion lives with his family, called a pride. The lion leads and protects them just like a real king. Roar that reaches far. When a lion roars, it can be heard from kilometers away. Roar air. That's louder than a school bell. So, lions are strong, brave, loud, and they lead their family. That's why people call them the king of the jungle. Thanks for exploring with me today. See you next time for another wild question